Ford Excursion XLT Limo. The 2000 model. A cloth interior. 166,000 miles. Wow, it must have been a short drive. I couldn't even get my leg through. Well, there's no key in here, but I'd like to show you the inside of it anyways. Let me go out back. So this is no startup vid, just a tour. Well, there's a little overhead console here. Like traditional limos, to control the door over there that slides up for privacy from the driver. Well, and they even used the third seat area. They put another bench out here with another little LCD. It's quite long. No shit. It's like a little ice bucket there. Wonder how many orgies were in here. This is one long ass limo. I've never been in one this long before. This sure beats out the Lexus I did. Well, it has LCDs on the pillars. Not many though. You can see up front, it's just traditional Excursion 4-wheel drive switch over there. I've done an Excursion before, so I'm not really going to get into detail of the interior quality. Yeah, good mirror. So you can just look up and do whatever naughty things you're doing. Too bad those handcuffs broke. The stitching here to the vinyl is broken. Well, it's 166,000 miles, so. So yeah, it's quite long. Let me get out of here. Actually smells funky in here. Let me show you the engine anyways. .8, so this is the V10 engine.